Hey family, welcome back to yet another edition of the 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣 𝙔𝙤𝙪 Solutions. It's always nice to see you around, and in this video we're going to be looking at how to replace a laptop screen for the HP ProBook 440 G5. So let's just start right away. We're going to be using this tool. So we go to the extreme edge of the laptop screen, and remove that, or rather unlock. You just keep moving, and keep moving the tool as you get to the locks. As you unlock those edges and angles, like this area. So now time to move downwards, Screen was a broken screen, so it required replacing, or rather changing. So once I reach down here, the down part is a bit tricky. It has some sellotape, or rather some hard glue on it. You have to be careful while removing this hard glue, so that you don't damage anything. Let's use hard glue. There's a layer that you have to be careful while removing. So once that is done, we'll flip it now to the sides. We need to get off, unlocks this area so that we can get off that folding angle. Okay, I don't know whether that angle is visible enough, but lock. A bit of that lock. Unlock that area. I'm sure that it's a bit tricky, so I'm sure that you have to press your tool in between the hinges, and then you lift up a bit. lift it up a bit, then unlock the other side also. Once that is done, you can come to this angle and remove it gently. Check with this other side also. And do the same. Once all the looks are loosened, you can then remove this. You have to be gentle so that you don't break any lock. Wondering why it's not coming out, but let's try getting it out from here. Releasing the lock. Okay. So remove this gently. And here we are. It's out. So our main focus is to remove the screen. So if this is our screen, we have four screws that we are interested in. There's this one, this one, this one, and this one. So we can remove them, start unscrewing them right away. Get this out. Get this out. Get this out too. Get this out also. And get the fourth one out as well. Once we're done, get our screen. Just get your pressure tool and remove the screen gently, and just make it lie on the keyboard area. So now we have to remove gently. We have to remove the screen connector, or rather the monitor connector. So we have to remove this attached. We have to first remove this attached silver tape. It's kind of hard, but we have to remove it. I can get my cut tool here. Make sure you remove it gently, because it has the model number in case you need the replacement. Once this one is old or faulty, you have to use those code numbers. So I'll remove it. Then here, I don't know whether you're seeing it. You're seeing that area. I'm trying to zoom in. This area. Trying to zoom in that area. It has a lock which we have to first unlock. And once we unlock, we can just pull the connector out. So once that is done, we can get off our screen. This is the screen, and it's the broken one, the faulty one. So we can put it aside and get our new one, which is this one. Just press it on the keyboard area and then connect the connectors back. Connect the connectors back gently. Ensure that they're fitted in very well, and then we get the lock, press the lock back, so we can once that is done, we can put back this screen, focusing on the holes. There are some holders, you have to make sure that it fits in the holders, those holes where the screws are supposed to be entering. Once that is done, we put back our screws. Let's start with this screw. Start with that screw, go to the next one, which is this one. Go to this third one, which is this one. That is done, I'll go to the fourth one, the last one. Once that is done, confirm that I'll put back very well. So I'll bring back the screen cover. Fix it back, enters. Start from the downer part and press all the locks back. Press back all the locks. Press them back. Press them back really. Press the locks back. Once that is done, check with the back. Ensure that this one's also intact. Once that is done, the screen will be okay. So we can check and see whether it's working pretty well. I'll put my charger and I'll power on, just to confirm that I have display, and there we are having display. And that's it for this video. In case you have enjoyed or learned something, kindly hit the subscription button for more videos. Thank you. Have a nice time. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end. And thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being part of the 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙑 Solutions. See you next time, same day. Kindly always keep checking for new videos. Hit that subscription button and the notification bell as we stay together. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your life. Peace and love. One.